Hello, good evening, and welcome to the Imanakan Wealth Building YouTube channel, where I share content around forex trading, cryptocurrency, how to earn in dollars online, and everything that has to do with wealth building ideas and opportunities. So, if you like such content, hit on the subscribe button down below, then hit on the notification bell icon so that when I upload new videos, you will be notified immediately. I'm super excited to have you guys here today. I'm super excited about what I want to share with you all because I know for sure that it will be of immense benefit to you, not just about this platform that I'll be talking about, which is metaex, but about any other platform and business in general. All right, so basically I'll be talking about and walking you through the risk involved in metaex, the red flags that I see, and the decisions that I have made. And this is to further guide you when making decisions about platforms, about businesses, about schemes, about anything that has to do with finance, especially online. All right, so without further ado, let's dive right into it. I have done videos in the past about metaex, so kindly watch, check through my channel. These are some of them. Check through my channel to get your hands on the videos that I have done. All right, to bring you up to speed about what metaex entails. Okay, to begin with, I remember telling us some time ago that in the video where I talked about everything you need to know about metaex, I explained to us how that metaex is a decentralized crypto exchange which is autonomous. Okay, but it looks like some persons did not understand what it means to be autonomous or what autonomosity means. I'll take a little while to explain that to us here so that you would understand, because what I want to do in this video is, at the end of the day, I want to make sure that you know the risk involved with metaex, so that if you decide to come on board, you'll be doing that at your own peril, at your own risk. You will be taking your own risk and deciding that, yes, I've seen the risk involved. At least these risks I want to point out are to the best of my knowledge. Somebody else might have different views. Somebody else might might see things from different angles. Okay, somebody else might have other things that he wants to consider or would love to consider. But for me, based on my opinion, these are the things that I see and I consider in metaex. So I'm sharing this so that you will be in the know before you come on board, or if you're already on board, so you will know what you are up against. You will know the risk you are taking. Okay, because it will be very shameful for at the end of the day, if things go south, for you to turn back and start blaming whoever referred you to the platform, or start pointing accusing fingers. That's childish and the height of irresponsibility. It means you are not man enough to even do anything business, since you can't own the outcome of your decisions and actions. All right, so take note of that. Now this is the interface of the platform. This is the interface. Okay, let me take us to what anonymous means. This is the dictionary. I really want you to know when we say that metaex is an autonomous decentralized crypto exchange, so that you know what you're up against. You know what you're signing up for. What does autonomous mean? I expect that you would have done some little research to check up the word autonomous, since I defined the platform as being autonomous. But it's obvious that some of you did not, so let me help you. One, having the right or power to self-government. So the metaex platform is self-governed. It's like a self-government. Now, we have a teacher there who gives signals. His name is David Percy. Because what the number one red flag I'm pointing out is the fact that it is autonomous. All right, so this is number one. It's autonomous. You should know it before you come on board, that this platform is autonomous. So what is autonomous? Because I've seen this red flag and I still decided to go on with the platform. All right, because to me, this red flag that I've seen is not strong enough for me personally. Mind you, personally, I'm not imposing this on you. For me personally, it's not strong enough to hold me back. So against the red flag, I still went ahead to participate in and with the platform. If you want to still participate, I'll leave my link in the description of this video so that you can sign up with it and do the needful, then come on board. But mind you, as a form of disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advices. All right. Whatever profit you make from this platform or whatever losses you incur by interacting with this content is all totally 100% your responsibility. I will not be held liable for any losses incurred or profits made by virtue of you interacting with this content or any other of my content on YouTube. Okay, so please take note of that. You are acting independently. It is solely your responsibility and your decision. All right, so I'm not cajoling anybody. I'm not forcing anybody to sign up. I hope you know this is, and I hope this is clear. All right, so number one red flag is the fact that it's autonomous. It's fine with me, might not be fine with you. If it's not fine with you, please do not sign up. I repeat, do not sign up. If the fact that the platform is autonomous is not cool with you, then do not sign up. But for me, I'm cool with it. It's cool with me. So what does autonomous mean? It means they have the right to or power of self-government. Okay, undertaken or carried on without outside control. This is very key. David Percy is the young man who gives signals. You can search him out on Facebook. All right, he's a young man who gives signals. To us on the platform. Okay, now he is not the founder or owner of metaex. He is not the founder or owner of metaex. If you want to know more about that, go to when you download the metaex app, or even without downloading the app, just go to the web, metaex.trade or metaex.net. Go to the web and chat with their customer care and ask them about the founder of metaex, the location, and all those stuff. They will provide some answers to you. All right. So David Percy is not the founder of metaex. David Percy is a top affiliate in metaex who is still trading with us and looking for ways to earn more money, which means building his affiliate network, building his team. All right, so there are other teams in metaex. There are other persons who have call it an agency, or who have several other groups under metaex. They are top affiliates too. They have their own group and they call their own signals at different time, whatever time pleases them. All right, so David Percy is one of such. He calls out signals at his own time. He chooses the time. I mean, in the short period that I've been on the platform, he has changed the signal time about twice. That's self-government, man. It doesn't seek your opinion. It doesn't seek your advice. It doesn't seek your counsel. He does things on his own, out of his own volition, on his own accord, and imposes the decision on everybody. It doesn't call for group meeting, team meeting. No, I've not experienced that, at least for the short time that I've been on the platform. Maybe he has done that in the past. I don't know about that, but for the short period that I have been in the platform, I've experienced that about twice or thrice. Yeah. Okay, so take note of that it is like a self-government operated system. Okay, still look at it, existing or capable of existing independently. Exactly. So he has taken decisions independent of the users. For example, yesterday, this early morning at about 2:30. Today should be 24th of April. All right, so at about 2:30 a.m., which was the usual time for BTC USDT signals to be given to the general users of the platform, because they have general users and they have VIP users. All right, so the general users we trade at about 2:30 a.m. BTC signal. All right, so it was time for trade today, and we were awake at about that time, only for David Percy to come online, and then he said he's not going to give signals for the general users at 2:30 a.m. He's going to go for the VIP users first. That was all he said. Then he just zoomed off. Before we knew it, boom, he listed out the IDs, the metaex IDs of the VIP users who are permitted to take the Ethereum USDT trade. And people were ranting on the platform. People were talking left, right, back, front, up, down, and all that. Okay, we didn't know what next to do. We didn't know what he was up to. We didn't know if he was going to call a trade after that. He didn't say anything. Only for us to wait a little longer. I think around past 3. Then he gave a signal for the general group. Are you seeing that? So there was no pre-notice, there was no pre-meeting, there was no our opinion wasn't sought. He didn't seek for our opinion to change time or not. So and he has done that before. This is the second time or third time I'm experiencing that in the platform. He has done that before. Now, one of the times that he did that, he said he was angry because some persons in the platform shared his signals with other people outside. I was wondering how possible is that. I thought, for one, that's probably that's probably maybe a cooked up story. Until personally, for security reasons, I will not put up the screenshot here. But personally, I experienced it just shortly after David Percy said that thing. I think a day or two later, somebody inboxed me on my WhatsApp, and he said he was pleading that I should send him signals from David Percy, that there was a guy who supplied him signals. He is not on the platform. He doesn't have an account with metaex, but he trades with the metaex signal. Are you seeing this? So somebody was leaking out the signal to him. This is bad, very deplorable. So when when I got a message, I now sent it to my upline, and I was like, wow, see what David was saying. And some people might have been thinking that David was just cooking up a story, or David was just being paranoid for no reason. But I now saw first-hand evidence. I have first-hand evidence. I have it, first-hand evidence. If you're in doubt, you can inbox me on WhatsApp. I'll show it to you privately. I have first-hand evidence. All right, so that's one of the reasons that influences his changing time of signals, because he doesn't want people to be fixed to. In fact, once we are fixed to one particular time frame of signals, before you know it, will just change to another one, because some persons might have assumed that is the time, and they might have, who knows what they might have done, or arrangement they might have made outside with some other persons who is supplying them signals at that point in time. You get it? So that's the essence for him changing the time frame. So take note of that the platform is exists independent of your decision and opinion. I think that should be all for this part. All right, so that's one thing I want you to take note of. So let's head over to the platform itself. Now, this is the Discord group for VIP. This is the Discord group for VIP. All right, I'm now in the VIP, where we can now take Ethereum and USDT trade. The general members are only entitled to BTC USDT trade. All right, but as you grow in the system, you are given access to VIP, which I have been given access to about 2 days ago, thereabout. Okay, so this is okay. Let me even head to the general group. Yes. So this is the general house. This is general group. I think this was just posted today. This important reminder rules. All right, was just posted today. All right, so this is the general group, and signals are given at about 2:30 a.m. So one of the red flags is what I just mentioned, the fact that it is autonomous. That means it operates independent of your opinion and input. All right. Now another thing, so if you are coming on board, you must decide that, okay, I've decided that this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to, despite this, I'm going to go on. If you're not cool with him having total control over the system, please don't come on board. The second red flag is the fact that your money is in their system. If you know me very well, you know I have reservations for any platform that my money will be in their system. I prefer platforms where I have control of my money 100%. But here, your money is in their system, in the metaex app. All right, so if you're not cool with that, please don't come on board. I saw the system, and because of other things that I saw, I decided to forego my money being in the platform. I embraced it despite that. So I'm cool with that. For this particular system, metaex, I'm cool with that. For another platform, I might not be cool with my money being in their system. So don't think that because I'm cool with it here, it means that generally I'll be cool with any system where my money will be in their care or control. No, but for this one, I'm okay with it. So if you're not okay with it, please don't sign up, don't come on board. Your money is in their system, meaning something can happen and the app might not open. The app might just fold up one day. We might just wake up one day and then we can't see the app, we can't find it. Your money will just be gone like that in the twinkle of an eye. Please take note of what I'm saying. If you're not okay with it, please don't sign up. Please, I am okay with it. I've calculated the risk, and I've told myself if I wake up tomorrow and the app is no more, not a problem. After all, I came on board with monies I know that is not critical to me. So if anything happens, I won't beat myself. All right, I won't beat myself. So you should take note of that. Your money is in their care, is in the app. You need to apply for withdrawal before you get your withdrawal. All right, so please take note of that. If you're not okay with that, don't come on board. That's a second red flag I need you to take note of, which I said I'm okay with. That's why I came on board. The third thing, what now? The third major thing is okay, they are not regulated. Let me say that. Hence, they are anonymous. Sorry, autonomous. Sorry, they are not regulated. If you chat up with a customer care, you find what they tell you that it's code put together, blah 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 blah. They are not regulated, so you won't find any social media handle about them, like on their Facebook page, their Instagram page, their Twitter handle, or whatever. No, they don't have that. They don't even have a central Telegram community. All right, for marketing purpose or for prospect. No, the only platform they have is Discord, and their Discord room is not for prospect. Their Discord room is for registered members. You don't get there until you're registered and you have funded your account. All right, so they don't have anything to do with social media at all. So if you're not okay with that, please don't come on board. Please don't come on board. I saw all these before I came on board, before I onboarded, so I'm okay with it. If not, I wouldn't have onboarded. I wouldn't have. The fourth red flag is the fact that you don't know the owner. So if you're not okay with that, still don't come on board. I don't know the direct owner. They told us he had, the customer care told us he doesn't have an owner. All right, so if it has, I don't know. If what they said is true, that doesn't have, I don't know. All right, so I don't know the owner. You don't know the owner. You may never know the owner. You may never find the owner. All right, so if you're not okay with that, please don't come on board. Be sure of these things, these points I'm making. These are the red flags I'm going to tell you about, and these are risk points that you should consider, the risk factors involved that you should consider before you sign up, before you come on board. If you are not okay with it, you have no business coming on board, please. You have absolutely no business coming on board. All right, so that's number 4. Number 5, I think that is that. I don't know if anyone is left. I think that's that. So these are the 4 red flags I wanted to bring to your notice. What else? Okay, that's about that. Okay, so you can watch all of my videos to learn how to trade. I've done videos about where I showed live signals. Okay, live signals. What else again? I've done videos on how to sign up and all those stuff. All right, so you can watch my channel. Go to my channel and watch the videos I've done recently on metaex and watch every single one of them to keep you abreast. Then most importantly, watch my video on risk assessment. It will further buttress the point I just raised here. Risk assessment, 7 things you need to consider, or 7 questions you need to ask and answer before you onboard any platform. Please make sure you watch that video. It's compulsory. I make it compulsory so that if anything goes wrong, you don't have anybody to blame. All right, so this is what I thought to bring to your notice today. Know full well that I have assessed this risk and I found them comfortable enough for me personally to onboard the platform. If it's not for you, please don't onboard it. I'm not sharing this particularly for one person. I'm sharing this to the entire world. So it's not particular to you. So if you come on board, you're doing so on your own discretion, at your own discretion. All right. Take note of that. Before I leave you, let me take you through our Telegram group, and this were profit made from yesterday's trade. $136 profit was made. This is 122 profit was made. This is $3.6 profit. This is 109 profit made. This is 1,805 profit made. All right, now guys, the platform is amazing for the trading. Trading results are amazing. I love David Percy's calculation. It helps to manage risk. That's one of the things that helped me come on board, that persuaded me to come on board. The capital management system that he gave for the investment. If you take a trade in round 1 and we lose, there is a formula we use that can help you take trade for round 2 and recoup the losses for round 1 and even the capital for round 1. Is amazing. Up to round 5 is amazing. The platform, as I was told, has never experienced total liquidation where they lost the whole 5 rounds and everybody's capital was lost since the 1 year of operation. You get it? So that's part of the things that I saw that made me come on board. Okay, so please Do your own research, do your own due diligence. This is for educational purpose, informational purpose. Do your own diligence, do your own research before you decide to onboard. All right, that will be all for this video. Till I come your way again next time. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now. Hit on the subscribe button, hit on the notification bell icon so that when I upload new videos, you will be notified immediately. I remain your boy and your friend Emmanuel Khan. Till I come your way again next time, stay blessed.